We are the only Polish manufacturer of fiberboards which we produce by wet method. Our company was established in 1959 as Zakłady Płyt Pilśniowych in Przemyśl. We have been on the market for more than half a century. Fibris S.A. Please take a look at our production process. Preparation of raw material. Wood is the primary fibrous raw material in the fiberboard industry. Due to its properties, it allows the production of various derivative materials, from very light to very heavy and hard. Fiberboards are manufactured using softwood and hardwood. Timber is transported from the storage site to the grinding equipment by double-chain conveyors placed in the bottom. The raw material is delivered to the factory by trucks. Part of shipment can be directly sent to processing, while the remainder is deposited in piles. Preparation of production pulp. The fibrous pulp is prepared on the dewatering machine, which can be divided into four main parts: the registry part, the suction part, the pressing part and the forming part. The cast pulp forms a band on the sieve. Since on both sides there are installed fixed limiters to prevent the spillage of the pulp on the sides. When the sieve moves forward, the pulp is dewatered through the mesh sieve, and the fibers suspended therein arrange in layers and interweave. Drying and pressing. In case of softboards, after leaving the dewatering machine, the sheets undergo a drying process that takes place in a 14-story roller channel dryer of continuous run. The dryer heating is provided by preheaters placed under the roller conveyors. The whole dryer is divided into heating sections. Depending on the thickness of the produced fiberboards, the drying time takes from 1.5 to 8 hours. The final moisture of the fiberboards is about 1 to 2%. When hardboards are concerned, the sheet over properties leaves the dewatering machine and it is transferred by the press conveyors onto the circulation metal sheets, which are used to transport wetboard sheets and take part in the pressing operation and unloading from the press. Before being transferred into a loading elevator and then to the press, the sheet must be put onto the circulation grid. The mesh sheet moves at the rate equal to the fibrous sheet's speed. To move further on, together up to the cross conveyor which delivers the sheet onto the roller conveyor in front of the loading elevator. Cutting boards. Another fiberboard technological operation is cutting into sheets of suitable size. This is done on the panel saws, which consists of 3 sets: a longitudinal saw, a cross-cut saw and a roller conveyor. The longitudinal saw is composed of 2 racks connected by stiffening elements. On the stands there are mounted 2 pairs of metal feed rollers, the bottom grooved ones and top smooth movable ones suspended pivotally on levers. In terms of structure, a cross-cut saw is similar to longitudinal saw. It has different dimensions and it is equipped with 6 bottom grooved feed rollers and 6 top smooth movable ones, and between the structure racks several saw sets are mounted. The roller conveyor is a welded frame construction. It has an installed push rod consisting of 2 slides moving in rails and a crank mechanism, which is driven by an electric motor with a release. Refining boards. To give an individual character to the boards, they undergo further treatment. By customer request, we format fiberboards to custom sizes and shapes. We cut them to specified target dimensions, create curvilinear elements, circles and rings. Moreover, we cut and run the corners, veneer with cork, felt, paper or foil, calibrate, grind the fiberboard so as give it dedicated properties and aesthetics. Quality control. In terms of physical and mechanical properties, the hard and porous fiberboards are examined by a laboratory worker from the Quality Control Department. Among others, the test covers such parameters as density and humidity of the fiberboards and their bending strength and tensile strength. Loading. With help of forklifts, the fiberboards are transported from the finished goods warehouse onto tracks. The fiberboards are solidly secured so that during transport they are the least vulnerable to external conditions. Depending on the transport destination, they are loaded either on containers or semi-trailers and then delivered directly to the customer. Depending on the transport destination, they are loaded either on containers or semi-trailers and then delivered directly to the customer. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to working with you. www.fibris.pl. Durability from nature.